to help train the welders of tomorrow.
When I was younger, I decided I wanted to find out more about welding. I wasn't entirely sure what that meant early on, but the more I researched, the more I realised how much opportunity there was. So I enrolled at college and started to learn my trade. Back in my day it was very different, but now with things like virtual welding, schools can really make sure the students are becoming the very best in the field. Welders are in high demand now too. There aren't enough of us, so there are lots of jobs out there. I finished school and the next big step was getting my apprenticeship. Working with someone in the industry was one of the most important parts of my training. In the end I got a job with the construction firm I was an apprentice at. And from there, I had the opportunity to work on some incredible projects, in some amazing places, on a scale I could never have imagined I could be part of. And all the time I was getting certified in new areas and getting new qualifications. Now I have the chance to give something back to the industry, and soon I'll have some apprentices of my own, who I can help prepare for a varied, rewarding, very exciting career.